everybody doing today? I hope everyone is awesome, fine, perfect, and great. On the menu today is pizza boats. I made CJ pasta today, but I was like, I didn't feel like doing pasta today on the channel, so I used my sauce and made a pizza boat. Use your noggin. It's like, is it made of wood? Okay, let's say a quick prayer and get started. I'm getting poked. Help me, Lord, help me. I poked myself in the eye today while I was driving. I broke 2 nails today. Yeah, it's been one of those days. It has been one of those days. This is why I pick up a knife. It's been one of those days. No, not one of those days. I don't even know if I can pick this up. I put so much stuff. It has pepperoni, Italian sausage, of course my sauce, mushrooms, cheese. There's some other stuff in here. Once I get to it, I'll let you know. Let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys. Oh, it's breaking. Don't break. Woo. I'm really glad I made this. It was really good. Really, really good. My eye is still sore. I shouldn't have put on lashes. I poked myself in the eye while I was driving and I could not see. Lovely experience. Yes, it was. I move my little decorations out of the way. This is not my attempt at another salad. Oh my gosh, this is good. It's so hot. You guys want a bite of this end? I'm not going to have you bite where I bit. Look at, you want that? You want that? Do you want the bite? Look at the bite. You want the bite? Take the bite. Okay, I'm either talking to a baby or a dog. I'm sorry. Which you're neither. Yeah, sorry about that. Here's your bite. Just take it. Is that better? I don't know what's wrong with me. It's late again. Again. This seems to be my schedule all of a sudden to film. Oh, God. There's like a crack in it on this side. It wants to fall apart. Oh, great. Oh, yeah. That's cute. And I broke my nails down so low. So low, Garrett. All by myself. No, but I broke them down really low. And they hurt so bad. They hurt. So I'm just, instead of getting a manicure, I'm just going to go ahead and have to go get my nails done. Oh, God. Not the spaghetti sauce. I don't want that all over me. Come on now. I always have to be such a mess. If I wasn't dropping food on my plate, it would be like an alien came and snapped me up because you guys wouldn't believe it. You'd be like, that's not Mona. That's not what the mukbang. She doesn't have food all over herself. Who is this? Oh my gosh, you guys, seriously. I wish you had some of this. It's really, really, really good. I'm sorry if I'm shaking the table because my tripod is actually on the table instead of my, I have the smaller tripod. I have 3 other tripods. This one I just broke. I don't know what happened, but it's got a gangsta lean. It's leaning to the side. Mm-mm. It's my expensive tripod. I must have broke a clip or something. It's leaning. That's the one for my camera. I have to use the other one. It's just a mess. It's okay. It's okay. We'll figure it out. I'm telling you, it's that kind of a day. Mm. Mm-mm-mm. Aren't you just glad that the good Lord made cheese? Mm. I'm so glad. Look at that. Look at that. You can just call me stubby. They are so ugly. Just call me stubby. Can't believe that. So mad. Yeah, but aren't you glad God made cheese? I love cheese. Mm. It's so good. Mm. That pepperoni is so yummy. I was like putting the pepperoni on the bread, and literally I was like, one for you, one for me, one for you, one for me. I don't know how many pepperonis I ate before the sandwich made it into the oven. Or the boat. It's a boat. Okay, it's a boat. It's not a sandwich, it's a boat. It's a boat. Mm. Mm. Really? CJ should have had one of these. Probably gonna want one tomorrow. After he sees, well, if he watches my videos. He only watches my videos once in a while, little booger. No love. Mm-mm-mm. It's hot though. Mm. Hot and cheesy. Oh wow. Oh no! I have really gone made a mess now. I have really gone and done it. Dang it. Oh, this is so good. I have big giant mushrooms on here too. Big old suckers. I don't know what I thought I was going to say. I don't know if I'm going to get to this one. This is filling. Of course it is, though. But you got to make it look pretty. It's got to look good for the camera. Mm-mm. Well, I did that. And no, this is not just an open face meatball sandwich like I had the other few videos ago. This is different, slightly. I just wanted to put it on bread. Which I shouldn't have. I really don't need to be messing with these carbs. I'm not on a diet, but I'm trying to be a little more conscious of what I'm eating. Yeah, right. I do mukbangs. Isn't that a funny thing to say? I want my food to taste good. So I don't like to be on diets and eat sugar-free stuff and all that mess. I gotta find another way. Go walking or go to the gym. Yeah, that place. But I don't like going to the gym either because everybody's like, ugh. You just feel like everybody's staring at you. And they're not. They're minding their own business doing their workout, but it just feels weird, like you're in a fishbowl. And then you get on these machines. You get on these machines and your legs just fly open on the machine. How does that look? Really? How does it look? Or you have to lay on your stomach and pull the thing up to your butt. I mean, just the machines. All those machines, they were created by a man for a woman to work out on. I'm convinced of that. They were all created by men for women to work out on. Because those are some dirty, birdie machines. They make you look crazy. And I mean, they're all crazy looking too, except for the treadmill. But then when you're on the treadmill, you're trying to run on the treadmill, you can get a concussion because you're gonna get slapped in the head, slapped in the face with the girls. So I'm convinced all of this machinery was made by a man, created for a woman, probably a little pervert, sitting over there in the corner of the gym, watching his little creations at work. Yeah, there you go. That's the reason I don't work out. I am protesting the machines. That is the official reason between me and you. That's why I don't work out. That's why I don't work out. That's what we'll do. That's what we'll tell people. That's why I look like this, because I can't work out on those machines, because they were made by a man for a woman to work out on and him to be gawking at her in the corner. That's why I don't work out. You're free to use my excuse whenever you'd like. See how far my excuse could go, if it's going to work. People think I'm crazy anyways. What's the matter? I don't care. Come on, man. Get in my belly. Sorry if I'm smacking it all. I apologize. Okay. Sucking my teeth. Has this ever happened to you? Like you're in a meeting, or you're just somewhere where you can't pick your teeth, and something is really stuck in there. Something is so stuck in there and you want to dig in there so bad. Or something gets up in your gum and it's like up there and you're like, you feel it and you're about to start pulling on your hairs and you're stressing out and your anxiety starts working up because you can't get in there and the person across from you is looking at you like, you okay? But you don't want to be rude and start picking your teeth and stuff go flying across the table looking, being all gross and nasty and unsanitary. I mean, I can pick my teeth here. I'm in my home. I'll probably apologize for it, but when you got to get it out, you got to get it out. But if you're in a business meeting, you can't be shoving your finger in your mouth picking your teeth. If you're at a business lunch or something like that, I mean, it's like you have to excuse yourself or run to the bathroom because you're about to have a nervous breakdown because there's seed stuck in your tooth or up in your gum and you can feel it. That's happened to me before. This is why we're talking about this story. It bothered me so much I thought I was going to have an anxiety attack. I had to go to the bathroom and get it out. And who wants to pick their teeth in the bathroom? I didn't even think about that. I just thought of trying to get away so I could get whatever was in my tooth out. And I got it out. But I was in the bathroom picking my teeth. And now that I think about it, that is so much worse than picking my teeth in front of my client. Okay. Yeah, I really didn't need to figure that out right now. that's okay. I could have gone the rest of my life without figuring that part out. Yeah, I didn't need to do that. I'm gonna think about that for a while now. When I was digging it out of my mouth, I wasn't thinking about anything but relief. I washed my hands and I exited. Didn't think about how gross it was. Wow. Okay. Yeah. There's a life lesson. Don't pick your teeth in front of your client or next to a toilet or in a bathroom because it's unsanitary. Whew. I'm actually getting full, which my Mookies, you knew I would get full. Am I going to force this? Yeah, I am. Hey, it's good. It's like, I wish I wasn't full. It's so good. I love cheese. Oh, we could do the Nicocado song sing it about cheese. I love cheese. Shooby-doo. Shooby-doo. Cheese. I love cheese. It's not working out. Okay. That's okay. Forget it. I never said I was a singer. I never said that. Don't hold it against me. I never said that. I never came on here and said I could sing. So you can't hold that one against me. So if you want to be in the comments and be like, what are you doing, girl? You can't sing. I already know this. I know I can't sing. So let's just end this right here. The debate is ended right here. I can't sing. I'm not going to argue with you. You don't have to put in the comments. I'm going to be in the bubble bath after this. Oh my God. The other day, I took a bubble bath. I didn't put all the back of my hair up, and my candles were on. I almost caught fire. I would have been running around in my bedroom like a match. Oh, that would have been ugly. Can you imagine me? I would have been like a skunk. Oh no, a reverse skunk. Well, anyways, I wouldn't have had no hair up the top, middle of my head. I would have had hair on the sides. I would have looked like a little old man. Oh, that would have been ugly. I almost burned my hair off. You see? Things just seem to happen when I'm around. I don't know why. But, I mean, it didn't catch fire, but it almost did. It just grazed right across it. Woo! And it didn't catch. I was going to say God was with me in the tub, but I don't think that would be very appropriate. Now, would it? I guess you can't say God's with you everywhere you go. I mean, you can, but sometimes it's just not appropriate to say he was with you there, right? There's things you do. Yeah. that I just don't think God should be there for. Just saying. I don't know. Just saying. Okay. We're going to do a post shout out. That's some good food. But I left a whole piece right here. And I don't think this would be a good leftover. I just don't. So I'll have to make CJ a whole new one when he gets home from work. Today's post shout out, I wrote it down. Today's post shout out is Miss Kitty 506. I have watched, she's been a fellow mukbanger for quite some time now. Well, she is a fellow mukbanger. And I'd say we hang out with each other, okay? Because I watch her videos, she watches my videos. And yeah, you guys go check her out. She's a sweetheart. Go see what she's doing over there. Tell her you're a mookie. I was thinking of moving my post shout outs to the beginning of my video, but I didn't know if I should do that or not, because it's better for me just to get to eating as fast as possible, because you know I'll talk your ear off and I don't want to get sidetracked. It's like, ooh, something shiny, like in my whole brain just turns off everything that I was talking about previously, and I'm starting to talk about something else, and then I'm totally lost because I saw something shiny. And I like shiny things. I do. Shiny things are pretty. They are. It's late. It's late. And I ate a half a loaf of French bread. And it's after midnight. You know that weight I was so happy to tell you about that I lost? I think it might come back. I think it's on its way. I do declare. I think it's here. And this is just water. I'm just this goofy and corny. My mookies know. Oh, and all you new mookies that have come along and hung out with us and decided to stay, I thank you so very much. I love you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And for all of my old mookies, I'm not calling you old, you know, the ones that have been here for a while, the ones that keep coming back, the ones that love me and I love back. No, I love you all back. I should probably stop talking. I should probably stop talking and figure out a way to close out this video, because I think I'm kind of delirious. I'm so full. I think I'm losing my mind. Yeah. I'm not really sleepy. I'm a little tired, but you know, I'm going to get in my bed after my bath, and it's not happening. I'm just going to sit there in my bed and not sleep. This is my life. Anywho, I love you, Mookies, new and old. I love you all. Thank you so much for returning to another video. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. You guys are all awesome, covered in awesome sauce. I hope that didn't hurt your ears. Sorry I hit the mic. I gotta get used to this thing sitting here. But you're all awesome, covered in awesome sauce. I love you to the moon and back. I hope you have an awesomely blessed day. Please remember to be good to one another, and I will see you on the next one. Don't look at my nail. Oh, look. Wait. Okay, let's do it with this hand, because now I'm throwing gang signs.